Managing multiple projects at once is a major challenge. You're constantly switching between scattered Jira boards, trying to piece together a single picture of your team's workload. Activity Timeline provides a powerful solution. Our main planning dashboard consolidates every project, team, and task into a single, seamless timeline, giving you a bird's-eye view of your entire organization. Planning across projects has never been easier. You can simply drag and drop tasks from any of your project backlogs directly onto a user's timeline. It doesn't matter which project the task belongs to. All work is visualized in one central location. This gives you a clear understanding of your team's total workload. Our unique workload indicators show you at a glance who is over-allocated, regardless of how many different projects they're working on. Activity Timeline empowers everyone with a holistic view. Managers get a comprehensive look at their entire team's efforts and can even assign tasks to a whole team. Individual team members get their own personalized workspace. They can efficiently manage their schedule and workload with all of their tasks from all projects visible in one place. Our advanced reports provide the insights you need for smarter decision-making. You can easily generate comprehensive resource and project reports that analyze workload and progress across all projects at once, helping you identify trends and optimize resource utilization. Stop juggling multiple Jira boards. Get the visibility, collaboration, and control you need to succeed. Visit activitytimeline.com today to unify your project management.